Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering what you need and taking the first concrete actions. Install Python 3, 10 plus, Node 18 plus, and Git, then create a virtual environment so dependencies stay isolated. Pick a model target, an open-source diffusion checkpoint, or a hosted API, because that decision drives infrastructure and cost. Next, prepare a small dataset and standardize input/output formats like PNG at 512 times 512. Once done, scaffold a minimal repo, add a README, and commit an initial prototype branch to iterate from. Now you wire model to app logic and explain why each component matters. Deploy the model as a local service on GPU or to a cloud inference endpoint. Choose batch or async serving depending on latency needs. Implement prompt preprocessing, tokenization, and safety filters so inputs are consistent and safe. Test sample prompts to catch failure modes. Then expose a REST or WebSocket API, add queuing for spikes, and apply post-processing like denoise, resize, and format conversion, so outputs meet UX requirements and file size limits. You finish by making the app reliable and deployable, explaining each step as you go. Containerize the service with Docker, add CI/CD to run tests and build images, then deploy to your chosen cloud while tracking cost and latency. Implement user auth, rate limits, logging, and storage lifecycle policies for generated images. Once live, perform thorough edge case testing and create a rollback and hotfix plan. If outputs go wrong, check model inputs, token limits, and safety filters first. Those are the most common failure points.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.